Hey guys, hope you had a wonderful week. Today we are going to cook Daau Sibing, which is a traditional Bodo style chicken with sesame seeds recipe from Northeast India. The recipe is really easy and it is probably one of the best dishes to try out if you have not prepared anything yet with sesame seeds. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you never miss an update. And now let's check out the ingredients. Chicken, onion paste, slit green chilies, salt, mustard oil, bamboo shoots juice. If you do not have it, then you can replace it with lemon juice. Ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and sesame seeds paste, which I have lightly roasted and pounded it into a fine paste. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your onion paste, ginger garlic paste and slit green chilies. Stir them well and cook it until the oil begins to separate and the onions are cooked. It's time to add the chicken pieces, turmeric powder and salt. Stir them well and open cook it for 5 minutes. Now add your sesame seeds paste, stir. Open cook it on a low flame for 15 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Add 2 cups of water. Stir. Cover and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes on a medium flame until the meat is tender. Finally, add your bamboo shoots juice. Stir. Open cook it until the gravy thickens and coats the back of your ladle. And here you go, our delicious Daau Sibing is ready. The chicken is tender and has soaked in the beautiful earthy flavors of the sesame seeds. The gravy is comforting, savory and the aroma makes the dish irresistibly good. I hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe. Do give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. It's super duper delicious and you must try it too.